Welcome to Testng Step by Step Episode 1. Testng is a Java-based test framework for doing unit testing, integration testing, and end-to-end testing. Testng is the most popular Java testing framework. Therefore, no matter you are a developer, a QA, or a test automation engineer in Java, Testng is a tool you must learn. In this video series, I'm going to show you how to use Testng to do Java-based test automation. In this video, it's an introduction. Here's the content that will be covered today. Firstly, what is Testng? Why do we learn Testng? And similar tools like Testng. And what is this video series about? How is the content organized? Okay, what is Testng? As we have mentioned, it is a Java-based test framework for doing test automation. You can use it to do unit test, integration test, and end-to-end test. So why do we need to learn Testng? 7 main reasons are summarized here. Number 1, it's the most popular Java testing framework. Number 2, it satisfies almost all the core needs on a test framework. And this is also the reason why it is the most widely used Java testing framework. It's easy to install, simple to use. It is very powerful in doing test configuration, flexible test grouping, and doing data-driven test. Also, it is scalable because it supports parallel execution of your tests. Finally, it's extensible. For example, test listeners in Testng enables you to control the behavior of individual test execution during runtime. There are some similar tools in the industry. For example, JUnit 4. It's also a Java-based test framework widely used by developers to do unit tests. However, JUnit 4 has been totally defeated by Testng because compared to Testng, it's not easy to use and lack of powerful features provided by Testng. There is also JUnit 5, which is the next generation of JUnit 4. I've heard that major improvements on JUnit 4 has been introduced in JUnit 5. Although I haven't got a chance to use JUnit 5, but I will definitely give it a try and introduce it in my future videos. About how this video series is structured, it's a step-by-step guide for you to learn Testng. After finishing all the learnings, I hope you can grow from a beginner to an expert in using Testng. I'm not going to cover all the features that Testng provides, but I will only cover the most important features that will be used in your daily work. You will learn the features of Testng with a lot of demos. I also would like to share some common misunderstandings or mistakes that I witnessed when people using Testng. In my YouTube channel, there's another video series about Testng tips, which is also helpful for your learning. For example, how to retry failed tests in the best way. It can be easily found in my YouTube channel. I will also paste the link to that video series in this video description. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you think it's useful, please share, subscribe, like, and comment. See you next time.